Welcome to this tutorial on how to rename a form in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your files or simply want to make your forms easier to identify, renaming them is a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. You can access it either through your web browser or the mobile app. Once you're inside Google Drive, take a moment to navigate through your files. If you're using the app, you can do this by tapping on My Drive to see all your stored documents and forms. Now that you're in the right place, look for the specific form you want to rename. Once you find it, tap on the three dots located next to the form's name. This will bring up a menu with several options related to that file. From this menu, select Rename. A text box will appear, allowing you to enter a new name for your form. This is your chance to make it more descriptive or correct any mistakes in the original title. Take a moment to think about what name will best represent the content of your form. After you've typed in the new name, confirm your changes by clicking on Rename Again. This action will save the new name and update it across Google Drive. It's that simple. Renaming forms not only helps keep your Google Drive organized, but also ensures that anyone who accesses the form can immediately understand its purpose based on its title. In summary, renaming a form in Google Drive involves just a few easy steps. Open the app, locate your form, tap on the three dots, select Rename, type in your new name, and confirm it. By following these steps, you'll keep your files orderly and easy to manage. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to rename any form in Google Drive with confidence and ease.